Hello everyone. So today we are going to add an additional layer to our automatic landscape material, which allows us to define a beach or ocean level. So here you can see from the grass color or to a sand color. The color is transition from grass to a sand color. So that's based on the level that we have defined as the water level. And also we have a transition region as well, which is defined as the beach width. So here is the demonstration. And if so here we can change the sea level. If I make it 1500, you can see beach level goes down. Let me put back as 1800. And beach size, if I reduce this, let's say 10, you can see a much sharper change from the grass layer to beach layer. And if I increase this value, you can see a smooth transition from whatever this layer into the beach layer. And also another thing is that even in the underwater area I have kept the rock surface and this other layer. In the sloped areas, only the flat area is considered to be like a sand layer, so that's why this color is same color in here instead of green. So yeah, this is what we are going to work on today. Right, so now we have created in this material, we have created a way to automatically paint layers based on the slope. So we have like a grass layer and a soil layer and a rock surface. So the next step is automatically paint in a layer for the sea level, basically a beach. So right, let me open the landscape material, and here so far we only have 3 layers for grass, layer 1 2 3, rock, soil, grass. And to have a beach, first we need the beach level should come after a certain level in the world location. So let's say I think I considered 300 meters. Let's see, this is, oh no, not 300, it's 1720. Okay, so yeah, here let's get the word position and do a component mask and get only B component, which gives us the vertical position. And from here I'll subtract some value. I'll promote this to a parameter and let's call it sea level. So I'll put 1500 for that, and then I'll clamp the result in between 0 and 1, so I can use this to do another lerping for the sea level. Let's do a lerp, and here Let me duplicate this. And add another color. Page. No, layer 5. I'll keep it generic. And I'll use a color. Like this. Connect to B and choose this as the alpha. Okay, now let's see. Oh, this has to be inverted, see, because the B should come here and the other part should go over here. So we need to basically interchange these two inputs. Okay, see, now this is the beach level, and as you can see we have a quite sharp edge, which is not ideal. So I think first let me move up the beach level a bit. 1800. And we need a way, we need some area that transitions from the beach to sand. So for that, here let's do a division and promote this to a parameter. I'll call this page size. This cannot be 0, so I'll set 500. Oh, sorry, this is vertical, so just 100 and use that here and see. Okay, now you see it's not directly suddenly becomes sand. There is an area that gradually transition from whatever the layer here into the sand. Okay, and one more thing, I think if we can still have rock faces over here even in the underwater region, it would be better. So how can we do that? So instead of doing this loop in here, let me connect it just like this and do this merging of grass and sand layer in this step. So grass is going here. Instead of grass, let me put this one. Now if I apply, see, now we have sand layer here, and also in this sloped areas we have the soil layer and the rock surface, even if it is in the region of underwater. Okay, so yeah, So yeah, now we have all the parameters. If we need to make any adjustments to the material, for example, if you want to have a larger beach area or like a larger transition region or anything, so yeah, but I'm going to stop this episode right here. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.